Welcome to Kids Doodle. Hi everyone, lovely to see you again. Today we're going to make a colourful beaded butterfly keyring. You can personalise your name with beads. Let your imagination blossom. You can choose your favourite colours and create your very own butterfly that you can hang on your backpack, keys or give as a gift. Let's see how these colourful beads can transform into a pretty butterfly. Thanks for watching! Check out our other videos for more creative ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun crafts. See you in the next video. Bye!